Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by positioning the reflector flat, reflective side up. This aligns seams and the center hub. Once oriented, grab opposite edges with both hands, thumbs near the inner rim. This gives control of the spring frame. Make sure to keep slight tension while you lift the center. This prevents sudden twisting. You are starting the fold now, so move deliberately. Fold the reflector into a soft D shape, keeping fingers clear of the rim to avoid pinches. Once the D shape is steady, bring the two long edges together toward the center. This forms overlapping semicircles. You will then twist one semicircle over the other so the spring frame collapses into 2 or 3 nested loops. This reduces tension and sets the compact shape. Make sure to guide the fabric evenly to prevent sharp creases and use slow, controlled motions. Rushing causes the frame to snap back. When loops nest, you are ready to secure the reflector. You finish by fastening the collapsed loops with a strap or a Velcro band so the reflector holds its compact form. This prevents accidental springing when handled. Then slide it into its case or sleeve, reflective side folded inward to protect the surface. Make sure to store flat or upright. Do not place heavy items on top because dents distort reflectivity. If the frame pops open, stay calm, relax your grip. Recreate the D shape and repeat the loop twist slowly, which corrects mistakes without damaging the rim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.